Hey guys, welcome back. So we are on day 3 of packing. Today we bust out the saran wrap. We finish up the office and the schoolroom. It took us 3 days to get the schoolroom and the office 100% done. And obviously you can't do every single thing until moving day, but yeah, those rooms are done. Next will be the closets and the playroom. So stick around. Okay, so today is the day that I finally busted out the saran wrap. If you guys go back and look at our moving videos that I posted when we moved out of the apartment 2 years ago, you will see that I literally discovered that saran wrap is a lifesaver when you move. I already had a lot of stuff already in organizers. I had already decluttered a ton of stuff. So honestly, I just needed to find a way to contain it and get it in a bin, get things that are going to be in the same room at least, in that box. But you'll see later on that I just end up throwing just random things that we want that are like just in random places around the house. And I figured once we move and everything is in the house, I will start to unbox everything and find a home for everything. So I'm not too stressed about it. I don't know how many bins I did this day, but it seemed like a million. I think I did like 5 or 6 bins. I think that's what I've been doing, 5 or 6 bins like every single day. I started bringing the kids' toys over here. I didn't end up doing anything with them. I just kind of accumulated them here. These are just the toys that are in the living room. I still have all their toys in the playroom to go through. So yeah, like I said, I didn't do anything with the toys. I just put them there. But I started to pack all the empty organizers that were on top of my desk area. So as much as I wanted my white bookshelf to fit in there, it didn't. So I ended up grabbing some more stuff to fill in all the nooks and crannies as much as I could in the bin, just to utilize all of the space. And here's another bin. I started to organize the bins over here because they were starting to kind of enclose me in. So yeah, who needs leg day when you're lifting boxes? Yeah, don't even talk to me about my workout consistency lately. But anyway, we started putting these labels on the bins. I just make them with Post-its, and then I just get a piece of tape, like the box tape that is like heavy duty, and it works really good. The kids like helping putting them on the bins, and I'm just a big believer in just using what you have. Get scrappy, and I'm sure you have lots of just things that you can utilize to achieve your goals while you're moving and all that stuff. It's a lot of money just to move in general. So yeah, I cut costs where I can. Ramses was in charge of accumulating all of our shoes, and he was taking his job pretty seriously. He was measuring shoes and just making sure everyone still wanted certain things.
I guess they get it from their daddy, huh? All the shoes that they get. These are barely worn like twice. Can't get rid of them like that. These are Goodwill. This is like, you could get these at Marshalls for $59.99, so we're taking them.
Okay, so I had to get another bin just to fit my white little bookshelf in there. And I came to the office because I knew that there were lots of little things, like medium-sized things that also needed a place, like those bins and, certain things, my hair tools and stuff like that. Okay, so we're getting a little crowded in here, so we just ended up labeling this bin really quick and then started taking things out to the garage. We were careful to start to put the stuff that's already packed up and ready to go closest to the garage door over there, so that way we'd have a good little system going on with empty bins towards the laundry room door right there. And yeah, Ramses got this little cart so we could work smarter, not harder. So that was great for all the bins that don't have wheels and handles and stuff. And then one of my daughters started to pack up some accessories and stuff that was in the playroom that I had left there on the floor. So she took it upon herself to get a little bin and accumulate all of their playroom stuff. So yeah, she wanted to prove that she could pick it up, but I helped her carry it out. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.